Hello, and welcome. Please join us on our 2023 Cozumel dive adventure. As we explore some awesome reefs and marine life, this year we decided to take some time to go deep sea fishing. While we had a blast, you have to see for yourself how our fishing went. As usual, we are staying at Villas Iguanas Ranas. This is a great place to stay, grounds are very well kept, and rooms are clean and spacious. Not to mention, this awesome pool. And if you ever wondered how avocado trees look like in Mexico, here is a very good example of a 50-foot tall avocado tree. We are ready to go diving, and while waiting for the boat, I have a small ask. I'd really like to hear from you in the comments, or at least click thumbs up or down for that matter, so I have a better understanding what you find more interesting. Always keep your camera in a water bucket to prevent fogging inside the housing. As we descend, submerged in this beautiful blue water, we will be looking for passages in the reef that we can swim through. They all look very inviting, however, some of the longer ones are quite dark at the entrance, so we need to evaluate if they are safe to enter. Strong camera lights are quite helpful in this assessment. Barracudas can live up to 15 years. Those very efficient swimmers can reach speed of 25 miles per hour. Nurse shark resting under the ledge. While they seem calm and sedentary in nature, they rank fourth in documented shark bites on humans. They need to be approached with caution. Black margate family is taking it easy, hanging close to the ledge for safety. Shoal of boga crosses our path, totally minding their business. Queen angelfish can live up to 20 years. Warm water spiny lobster, unlike its cold water cousin, has no pinchers. It can live up to 50 years, and usually hides during daytime, just to come out to feed at night. I counted 6 of them hiding in this crevasse. Peacock flounder can easily blend with the background. And this baby puffer is trying to rest in some corals. Seahorses are very hard to spot, and there is not that many of them, so when we see one we get all excited. And of course turtles. We can never get enough of those beautiful creatures. While Shelly is having fun with the scooter, we are getting ready to take our annual team picture.
Hello
We are back from diving and will run to town this afternoon. I'll show you couple places that you cannot miss while in Cozumel, so stay tuned. To move around the island, we always rented Jeeps, but with today's economy they are north of $88 per day, so we settled for sedan at $55 a day. It's not like we ever go off-road four-wheeling. This little street leads to Town Square, where in the northeast corner you will find Sergio's. In Cozumel you can get a real good deal on silver, but you have to be cautious as there are many street peddlers that may offer you questionable items. Sergio's been here for ages, and you can always trust 100% items you can buy here. Did you spot anything you like yet? And this is the second spot. Taco Tales, the best tacos you can imagine. There is bunch of great places to eat in Cozumel, but this one is very unique. Not only tacos are out of this world, but prices are unbelievable. Double order of tacos, soft drink and a beer, all under $14. One thing though, this is outdoor sitting, so don't forget bug spray. And while you are in town, you may want to stop by a pharmacy. Many drugs in Mexico don't require prescription and are pennies on a dollar. Today we are going fishing, boat is at the dock, expectations are high. As we leave the dock, deckhand Tony prepares all the riggings. Tony is telling us they caught 9 mahi-mahi yesterday, so we are extremely excited.
Edwin, Peter.
Peter, nice to meet you.
Edwin, Michael.
Michael, nice to meet you. The other guy is Tony.
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 We got the salad. Well, no fish yet, just the salad. It's been 2 hours, no fish yet. John brought bananas on board. Do not bring bananas on board. 3 hours, no fish. And he will not let go of them bananas.
Eat them!
Chunk the bananas!
Eat them!
He just chunked them bananas out and we got a fish! Banana curse broken, we got fish. Yes, that's the banana dude. Banana fiasco. Tony fucked up all the fruit. He put tahini on it. Tastes like ass. But the guac is good.
You know what?
Broke the banana curse.
We got a lot of food.
Fishing for 5 hours. hours. No mahi-mahi in sight. And that is because Edwin don't know where the fish is at.
We had a blast fishing. It was a lot of fun. Edwin and Tony done an awesome job, and I really do recommend those guys. At the villas, we gave Manuel, our chef, all the fish. He made awesome fried fish and plenty ceviche for everybody. In the evening, we went for a night dive. This is time for the lobsters and other creatures that hide during daytime to come out and feed, preferably unnoticed by their predators. All those lobsters that we saw hiding earlier are on full display. In the darkness, Stingray can rest peacefully, without needing to hide under the sand. Even this moray eel comes out into the open. Puffers and turtles, since they are active daytime, they usually find a spot to hunker down for the night. Squid, also known as calamari, are displaying their mesmerizing color-changing abilities.